Africa Content TV.
Respected state coordinators, members of the National Executive Council, special guests, and my dear brothers and sisters of the City Movement, good evening to all of you. Today is more than just opening of the retreats. It is a gathering of the movement. It is the coming together of men and women who have chosen to dedicate their time, their energy, and their talent to the service of Nigeria and to the advancement of the renewable vision. I welcome every one of you to this with immense pride and deep sense of gratitude. You have traveled from every corner of our great nation, not because you're compelled to, but because you believe in a cause that is greater than that of yours. That spirit of sacrifice is what defines leadership, and that is the spirit that has brought us together today. When history of this movement is written, it will be said that ordinary Nigerians came together with an extraordinary determination to build one of the strongest grassroots political movements our country has ever seen. The City Point movement is no longer just a campaign platform, it is becoming a strong family foundation. It is becoming a national network of committed agents. It is becoming a symbol of resilience, loyalty, purpose, and a purposeful engagement gathering. I caused the 36 states and the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I caused the 36 states and the Federal Capital Territory. We continue to build a formidable structure. We have mobilized thousands of volunteers. We have inspired young Nigerians to participate in governance. We have defended democratic ideas. We have amplified the message of progress. And we remain steadfast in even the face of criticism, misinformation, and countless challenges. For all these achievements, I congratulate every single state coordinator, every executive member, every volunteer, every supporter. The success belongs to all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, Whilst we celebrate our achievements, we must never become comfortable with them. The truth is that we have only just scratched the surface of what we have come together to try and accomplish. Our greatest victory is still ahead of us. This retreat is therefore not a celebration of yesterday, but it is preparation for tomorrow. We are gathered here to think bigger, organize better, strengthen our structure, depend on our relationship, and equip ourselves with equip ourselves for the enormous responsibility that lies ahead of us. As members of this movement, we carry a huge responsibility to extend further than politics itself. We are communicators, we are educators, we are mobilizers, we are ambassadors of hope. Across Nigeria today, there are many citizens who genuinely seek answers about the direction of our country. Many hear information that is incomplete. Others encounter narratives shaped by misinformation, political bias, or frustration. It is our responsibility to encourage our community with the facts and engage them as well with the truth, patience, respect, and understanding. We must return to our various states, prepared to explain what government's policies are about and explain them clearly, to listen to the concerns of our people sincerely, and to demonstrate through our conduct that leadership is first about service. To demonstrate through our conduct that leadership is first about service. President Tinubu came into office at a time of significant economic and security challenges. His administration has embarked on reforms aimed at stabilizing the economy, improving public finances, extending infrastructures, attracting investment, supporting agriculture, enhancing security, strengthening education initiatives, and to lay a stronger foundation for sustainable national development. Many of these reforms have required difficult decisions, and many Nigerians continue to be freed, but we are also seeing the progress. This is precisely why our engagement must be responsible, factual, compassionate. We must help people understand the goals of these reforms while also listening respectively and respectfully to the experiences and concerns of every Nigerian as we encounter them. This movement must become not simply about defending the government, but must also be one where we connect the Nigerians with the government. We must learn and lead this retreat with a renewed energy as well to reach we must lead this retreat with renewed energy to reach every board, every local government, every market, every campus, every community, and every single home. Let every stakeholder become a builder of leaders. Let every member become a member of hope. Let every chapter become the center of service. Let every action we take strengthen the confidence of Nigerians in our democracy. My brothers, my sisters, history does not remember those who watched events unfold from the sidelines. History remembers those who stepped forward when the nation called. This is our movement. This is our movement. This is our responsibility. This is our opportunity. Let us fight for our personal interests and remain united by our common purpose. Let us reject division and embrace truth. Let us replace complaints with action. Let us replace doubt with determination. Let us replace fear with hope. Let us remain united. Let us remain disciplined. Let us remain organized. Let us remain committed. There is absolutely no limit to what this movement can achieve once we're able to achieve all of that. Together, we continue to strengthen our grassroots structures. Together, we will continue to engage Nigerians with sincerity and truth. Together, we will come and continue to support the vision of the renewed hope agenda. Together, we will contribute to building a stronger, more prosperous, and a more united Federal Republic of Nigeria. As I officially declare this retreat open, I encourage every participant to contribute actively, learn from one another, building lasting relationships, and leaving here inspired to contribute creatively for our movement and for our country. May this retreat ignite fresh ideas. May this retreat strengthen our resolve. May this retreat deepen our unity. May it prepare us for the great work that lies ahead and the responsibility that lies ahead of us. Thank you for your unwavering commitment. Thank you to the board. Thank you to Honorable Minister. Thank you to the co-patron. Thank you to the DG. Thank you to our women leader.